Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and today we will be diving into this new tool from Google that is absolutely insane. This tool could actually replace N8N. So get ready to meet Google Opal. So, why is it so important to know about Google Opal and why is it good? So Opal in a nutshell is a no-code builder similar to N8N but with a twist. You can build anything you want with just a simple prompt. As for example in N8N you have to actually connect the dots and connect the different nodes inside your automated workflow. Here you just provide what you want with a simple prompt and Opal will actually build the whole workflow for you. I have prepared this short document about what actually is Google Opal. So as I said, it's a no-code AI tool. You can build mini applications and share them quite easily. Why is it so important? Is because you don't need any code experience to start automating and building your apps. Rapid innovation, meaning that you can turn your ideas into working prototypes really quick. If you have an idea for an AI app, you can start maybe here and actually get to development later. You can test your MVP here, and if even your idea is sellable and if your clients would want it or customers would want it. Also, you can use Opal to automate processes for your customers. Here are some key benefits. As I said, you only need prompt to build the whole workflow. Fast prototypes, you can share the actual automations pretty quick. As you can see, the access is only for US now, but I have posted in my Whoop, which is down below in the comments, it's completely free, a guide how you can access it also from anywhere around the world. So be sure to check it out and it's completely free. So here are some potential use cases and we will actually go through content generation. We will generate some thumbnails and titles for YouTube videos. And we will actually build a travel planner. So these are the two apps that I will show you firstly, and then show you how I have built them with a simple prompt. Okay, I'm in the builder, and as you can see, you have here your Opal apps. These are some apps I have built. You have your gallery right here, which are some pre-built Opal workflows that you can test and use. Let's firstly open our YouTube CEO thumbnail and title generator. And as you can see, we have this workflow which have 4 steps. In here, in Opal, you have different nodes, but only 3 types: user input, generate, and output. Basically meaning user input is what user will input, generate is the AI task, and output is actually what will be shown as an output. In each generate node, this was created automatically, but you can do it manually. You can put the prompt in and you can tag the input like this, just simply using add. And start writing what you want to add. And this is how you add something in your prompt. So let's see how this actually works. So let's go to preview. Let's do start and let's start with a YouTube video. Okay, I went to my channel and I will copy this video link and I will paste it into Opal and wait for a title and for a thumbnail and text to be created. I hit enter and now we just wait. You can actually follow what's happening in the console, but firstly it will get the URL, it will create some assets, it's calling Gemini right now, and then it will move to other steps until finally it gives us the result. So in the preview, this is the actual app that we have built. Yeah, this is how it looks. We can see what's happening right now. And if we wait for a while, we will get the result. Okay, and now it's done. As you can see, we have our thumbnail here, our title here, and primary keywords listed right here. So this is actually how you can use this to create titles for you and thumbnails. As you can see, the thumbnail has some issues because still AI is not perfect yet. So you need to fix it manually, but at least you can use this as a template, start working with this. Okay, so let's actually switch to the other one I have built, and I think this one is pretty amazing. Let me show you why I think that. This is an AI travel guide. This works in a way that you specify destination, start date, end date, daily budget, and it will actually find for every day what you can do. It will find must-see attractions, so such as Eiffel Tower in Paris, yeah. Then some less known but pretty interesting attractions, and then also some events for each day that you are there. So let me show you how this works. So let's start again here. Let's enter our travel destination. Let's say Paris, yeah. Start 1st August 2025. Trip end 15 August 2025. Daily budget, let's say 100 USD. And now we wait. Now we wait until it all processes the information. If we go to the console, you can see that it's created a list, working on item, it's searching the web, it's calling Gemini. Everything is happening in the background. And as you can see, it shows what is actually currently working on. So this is pretty amazing. You can also see the progress bar up here. So you see where we currently are in the progress. Okay, it took a few minutes, but we are finally done. And if you click on preview, we can actually see. Okay, and for each day we have, for example, some must-sees, some less popular, and event, if there is event in that day. So this is actually a travel for each day. We have this copy to clipboard here. I don't know if it works. It actually works. So we are actually able to copy and paste it. It doesn't look good, but we are actually able to do this. And this is the app I have built as the second app. Yeah? And now let me show you how you can build any app you want using Opal. So first of all, you can go to create new. When the editor has loaded, it will look like this. So it will say, let's build your app. Take a look at our demo video. You can actually watch this. It's pretty interesting. Or you can start by actually dropping something in. But we will actually start with a prompt. So let's, for example, do an app that recommends us a movie based on 3 movies I provide that I like. Yeah, it will recommend us a movie. So let's start. Write me an app that will recommend movies to user based on movies that he provides. If possible, show the user a list of movies where he can select up to 5 movies he likes. Also, provide a text input for the user where he can input the movies himself in a way that he will write, let's say, Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean, and so on. And so on. I'm not sure if I wrote it correctly, but this is for just an example. Load a list of popular movies for the user to be shown where he can pick, but also write what he wants. Okay, let's see how it tackles this task. Let's see how it tackles this task. I actually have not tried yet this, what I have wrote in here, that he will actually create select as a start, not a user prompt. So let's see what will it do. So we have it ready. So let's say, find your next movie from list, but I don't see any list, as you can. Maybe we will need to remove this and just say that the user needs to write the movies. Or we can actually put Okay, so what I actually did, I went to Gemini and I asked for the most popular that a viewer from any background can choose from. Okay, so let's put it here. Here are some movies for reference. And let's put the list in here. Let's go to preview. Okay. And let's do get out the matrix alien. For example, let's hit enter. Now it's generating movie recommendations. Okay, so it actually did it, and now it's generating the output already. Let's wait for that. And it actually did it. I see that this is some bet that is happening in here, which doesn't look real good. So we can suggest an edit so that it looks better. But guys, I will leave this to you. You can change anything to your liking with Google Opal. So go ahead and try it. And don't forget, as I said, if you want to access Opal from anywhere in the world, down below is a link to my web where I explain how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, comment down below what you want to see next, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.